Hello again, YouTubers. This is Daniel for this third update video for March 4th, 2023. And right now it's like almost, it's about 10:54 in the morning. And they're still here. Hopefully I'll show you this later when everybody's gone. I'm going to give you like a little aftermath video later on. If it doesn't rain. Yep, they're still here working on this. I think they're going to put like a pipe system, maybe circuit breaker. Who knows? I'll show you that later on when we do aftermath video after they're gone. They're still here. They're still here. There you have it, folks. That's your little update video for March 4th, 2024. I'll see you next time when I give you more updates. And just enjoy these other videos, and I'll see you later. And goodbye later on.